Welcome to Pure Vital Life, your guide to wellness. Today we reveal 7 walking mistakes that might be harming your health. Walking is a natural human movement, but modern habits have introduced errors that turn this healthy activity into a physical strain. Many people walk daily for fitness, yet they unknowingly commit errors that lead to chronic joint pain and long-term physical issues. But understanding these common pitfalls, you can protect your body and transform your daily walk into a powerful tool for longevity. We have analyzed the science of movement to bring you 7 critical corrections that will change the way you walk forever. Let us begin with the first common error. Most people rush out the door without preparing their body for the movement ahead. Starting too fast is a dangerous habit. Your muscles and joints are cold and stiff, making them vulnerable to sudden shock. Your body requires at least 3 to 5 minutes of gentle movement to increase blood flow and prepare for higher intensity. Think of your muscles like rubber bands. When they are cold, they snap, but when warmed up, they stretch and perform beautifully. Start your walk at a leisurely pace. Allow your heart rate to rise gradually, signaling your body that it is exercise time. This gradual increase protects your heart and ensures that your synovial fluid lubricates your joints effectively before the real work begins. After 5 minutes, you can safely pick up the pace. You will feel lighter, faster, and more capable of sustaining the effort. Now we address the second mistake, poor posture. Many walkers slouch forward, which compromises their breathing and strains the spinal column. Slouching restricts your lungs, preventing deep breaths. It also places unnecessary weight on your lower back, leading to discomfort and fatigue. Looking down at your feet creates a heavy load for your neck muscles. Your head should be lifted, eyes gazing forward. Imagine a string pulling you up from the top of your head. Keep your shoulders relaxed and down, away from your ears. With an upright posture, oxygen flows freely to your muscles. You will find that you can walk longer without feeling exhausted. Keep your gaze about 10 to 20 feet ahead. This simple adjustment aligns your spine and prevents neck pain after your walk.
The third mistake
involves your equipment. Wearing the wrong shoes is a recipe for injury, affecting everything from feet to hips. Shoes without arch support or cushioning increase the impact on your joints. This shock travels up to your knees and spine. Invest in shoes designed specifically for walking or running. They should provide stability for your arch and cushioning for your heel. Check your soles regularly. If they are worn unevenly, it changes your gait and can cause misalignment in your hips and knees. Your feet are the foundation of your movement. Treat them well with proper gear, and they will carry you for miles. Mistake number 4 is inconsistency. Being a weekend warrior who walks for hours only once a week is not the best strategy. Walking too little during the week and overdoing it on the weekend shocks your body and limits the health benefits you receive. Consistency is far more important than intensity. Your body responds better to regular, moderate activity than to sporadic bursts of extreme effort. Aim for 20 to 30 minutes every day. This habit keeps your metabolism active and maintains flexibility in your muscles and joints. Daily movement helps regulate blood sugar and blood pressure. It is a daily medicine, not a weekly dose to be taken once. Make walking a non-negotiable part of your routine. Even a short walk around the block. Your arms act as a counterweight to your legs. Without them, your torso rotates excessively, which can strain your lower back. Bend your elbows at 90 degrees and swing them naturally. Your hands should not cross the center line of your body. Engaging your arms increases your calorie burn significantly. It turns a simple walk into a full body workout involving your upper body. Active arms also help propel you forward, especially when walking uphill. It gives you rhythm and power in every single step. Coordinate your swing, opposite arm and opposite leg. This natural cross-crawl pattern is essential for brain health and physical coordination. Mistake number 6 is a modern epidemic, distracted walking. Checking your phone while moving puts you and others in immediate physical danger. When you look down at a screen, you lose awareness of your surroundings. Tripping hazards like uneven pavement become invisible traps. Furthermore, looking down creates massive tension in your neck. This text neck posture counteracts all the benefits of your walking workout. Put the phone away. If you need to listen to music or a podcast,
As
set
the
it up
head
before
tilts
you start
forward,
moving.
the weight on the cervical
Use this
spine
time to
increases
disconnect from digital
dramatically.
stress. Focus on your
60
breathing,
degrees,
the environment, and the sensation of your body moving. Alertness prevents accidents. Being present in the moment ensures you can react quickly to traffic, cyclists, or obstacles in your path. The final mistake is skipping recovery. Stopping abruptly after a vigorous walk allows blood to pool in your legs, causing dizziness. Your body needs a transition period to return to a resting state. Neglecting this phase can lead to stiffness the next day. Spend the last 5 minutes walking at a slower pace. Let your breathing return to normal while you are still in motion. Hydration is crucial. Even a short walk depletes fluids. Drink water immediately after you finish to help your muscles recover and repair. Perform gentle static stretches. Focus on your calves and hamstrings, holding each stretch for 20 seconds to maintain your flexibility. Stretching prevents muscles from shortening and tightening. It prepares your body for your next walk, ensuring you stay injury-free and mobile. We have covered 7 vital adjustments: warming up, posture, footwear, consistency, arm movement, staying alert, and proper recovery after your walk. Mastering these elements turns walking into a fountain of youth. It protects your joints, strengthens your heart, and clears your mind. Listen to your body. If you feel pain, stop and assess your form. Walking should feel empowering, not painful or exhausting.
It's so good
Share this knowledge with friends and family. Walking together is a wonderful way to stay consistent and build healthy relationships. Every step you take is an investment in your future self. Make sure those steps are high quality and mechanically sound. Your health is a journey, not a destination. Small corrections in your daily habits lead to massive improvements over a lifetime. Commit to walking smarter starting tomorrow. Check your shoes, watch your posture, and give your body the respect it truly deserves. Recovery continues even after you stop moving. Good nutrition and rest will amplify the benefits of your daily walking routine. Remember, the goal is not speed or distance, but the quality of movement and the consistency of your daily practice. Correct walking strengthens bones, improves cardiovascular health, boosts mood, and enhances coordination. It is the ultimate exercise for the human body. No matter your age, it is never too late to fix your form. Start with one correction at a time. Tomorrow morning, when you lace up your shoes, remember this video. Take a moment to warm up and align your body. Enjoy the rhythm of your steps. Feel the ground beneath you. Let walking be your daily meditation and your physical therapy.
Keep it tight here, 90
Education
degrees.
is powerful.
Swing straight,
When you know
forward,
better,
and
you move
back.
better. Your body
like
will
this?
thank
Yes,
you with
but
less
relax your
pain and
shoulders.
more energy.
Changing to softer terrain.
Try
like this
walking on
lush
different
grass,
surfaces like
drastically
grass or
reduces the
dirt
impact
trails.
on your joints,
It engages
offering
different
relief
muscles and
promoting
reduces the
long-term health.
repetitive impact of concrete. Nature enhances the benefits of walking. Fresh air and green surroundings lower cortisol levels, reducing stress while you exercise your body. Your heart is a muscle that needs care. Walking correctly is the safest and most effective way to keep it strong. Notice how you feel after a walk with good form. You should feel energized and loose, not stiff, sore, or exhausted. Join the millions who are reclaiming their health one step at a time. Be mindful, be consistent, and be kind to yourself. If you have been making these mistakes, do not worry. Today is the perfect day to start fresh and walk correctly. We
today.
believe in your ability
Even
to
a short
change.
walk
Your
makes a
vital
difference.
life is waiting for you,
You got
just a
this.
few thousand steps away. As the sun sets on this video, let it rise on a new chapter of your health journey. Keep moving forward. Which of these 7 mistakes have you been making? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing your stories. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Your support helps us create more content for your vital life. Check out our other videos for more tips on nutrition, exercise, and holistic health. We have so much more to share. Walking is more than exercise. It is a celebration of what your body can do. Cherish every step you are able to take. Stay hydrated, stay active, and stay mindful. Your body is the only place you have to live, so take care of it. Thank you for watching Pure Vital Life. Walk smarter, live longer, And remember to subscribe for more insights into your health.